Nice cheap shot. You a coward. Nice cheap. You a coward.
From deadly threats to comic courtroom escapes, today we bring you part 2 of the 5 wildest sentence hearings you have ever seen. Number 2. Jesse Rose. For this case, we have to travel south, far south, to Wollongong District Court, Australia, for a sentencing hearing. Seated inside what is known as the dock is the defendant, 25-year-old Jesse Rose. The one-time aspiring rugby league player had pleaded guilty to the charge of reckless wounding for an assault captured in this surveillance video. After receiving a complaint about Rose's drunken behavior in a pub, he and his mate were asked to leave by security. But when he refused, a second camera captured the entire scene of the altercation between Jesse Rose and the guards. One of the security guards ends up on the floor. Backing away from the situation, Rose then throws his drinking glass at the guard lying on the floor, and it strikes him on the head. The guard suffered serious injuries, including a laceration and a depressed skull. Now at sentencing, Rose's attorney made a case pleading that he should not be sent to jail, claiming he is now a changed man that is holding a steady job and living on the straight and narrow as he bears his own share of responsibilities. But Andrew Hassler makes it clear that this is no kangaroo court, stating that the assault was too serious to consider leniency, and right about now, he announces Rose's sentence: 14 months in prison. Jesse Rose was deeply enraged. Clearly fuming because of his sentence, Rose decides to channel his rugby skills and boots open the divider door. It is unclear what he says to the security guards, but one of them takes a step or two back. After some more threatening, Rose takes things up a notch and throws not one, but 2 chairs at the guards. It is important to note that these are not folding chairs that Rose just tossed, but standard office chairs that weigh up to 60 pounds or 27 kilograms. This guard sneaks up at Rose from around the backside of the dock and, like a boomerang, as you would expect in Australia, flies back into action, first bobbing and weaving because the last place you want to be is at the receiving end of an athletic man's punch. Then, the guard goes down under for a tackle. With the help of another guard, Rose is pinned to the floor. His girlfriend can be seen in the rear of the courtroom. Other officers eventually entered, got Rose to his feet, and escorted him out. For his courtroom tantrums, Jesse Rose was slapped with extra charges of property damage and assaulting a law enforcement officer. An additional 8 months were added to his original 14-month sentence. Take a chill pill, Jesse. Number 1. Travis Davis, Brandon Banks, Kelvin Grimmage, and Keela Richardson. We head now to a sentencing hearing in Marion County Judicial Center, Ocala, Florida. A jury has found Travis Davis, Brandon Banks, Kelvin Grimmage, and Keela Richardson guilty of killing Courtney London during a robbery home invasion 2 years earlier. As an added precaution today, extra officers are on hand for the sentencing.
Any legal reason we shouldn't proceed with sentencing today?
Any legal reason we should not proceed with the sentencing today? The judge asks.
I've indicated that I would like to do is to have the gentleman hang on, Mr. Davis.
As the men wait to learn their fate, suddenly chaos ensues. It appears a court officer attempts to handcuff Travis Davis, but Davis refuses to cooperate. Another court officer quickly jumps in to assist.
Hang on, Mr. Davis.
Meanwhile, a third officer attempts to handcuff Grimmage, but that didn't go any better, and the situation escalated in no time. Richardson has already been cuffed and is ushered away from the melee. Davis's lawyer, Daniel Hernandez, is not so lucky. With the situation seemingly out of control, another court officer steps in with a taser. Reportedly, 3 of the men were tased, including Brandon Banks, who did not appear to join the rest of the convicts in punching and resisting the deputies. One of the court officers instructs everyone to clear the courtroom. After the court officers regained control, Davis and Grimmage share some sentimental parting words. They are about to find out how much love there is behind bars. All 4 of the defendants were convicted of first-degree murder and sentenced to life without parole. Thank you for watching this video. Which of the sentence hearings would you call the wildest? Let us know what you think in the comment section below. Don't forget to smash the like button, share our video with your friends and family, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing content. See you on the next one. Until then, bye.